Does your business receive large amounts of invoices that need to be read, processed, and added to your NetSuite, QuickBooks, SAP, or other accounts payable software? If so, let me show you how Tackle AI can handle this for you in an automated fashion using artificial intelligence. So the first thing I'm going to do is add a couple of invoices to the Tackle AI engine. In a matter of seconds, you will see that Tackle AI is able to read, understand, and then process all of the relevant information that you need to have extracted and automatically added to your AP system. Let's take a look at this first invoice. Pretty straightforward example here. And like I said, in a matter of seconds, Tackle AI found all of the relevant information, such as the name of the invoice, the date, the invoice number, the loan number, and most importantly, the total amount due on this invoice. All of this information is extracted, is found over here on the right, and it is automatically added to the AP system to complete the workflow for you automatically. Let's take a look at a second example. In this example, you see it looks completely different than the first invoice we looked at. Most softwares would struggle being able to process this because it's completely unstructured and your AP system has never seen an invoice like this before. But with Tackle AI, we are able to automatically find all of the relevant information and then have it extracted just like in the first example and added to your AP. But additionally, you'll see some new information on here. Tackle AI was able to identify that this invoice is also tied to a contact in the AP's system, in this case, Patty Fletcher. So we know now that this invoice is tied to this contact, even though this contact's name was not found anywhere on the invoice, making it simpler for you and automating more workflows that you have in place. Let's go to this third example because this one's going to be the hardest. This invoice looks completely different again. No rhyme or reason to where numbers are. In fact, we've got one number floating out here in the left-hand side. Yet Tackle AI was able to identify that this with a high probability, even though it doesn't have any title or structure to it, we know that this is going to be the loan number tied to this invoice. And then if a human were processing this information, yes, all of the relevant information is found, but if a human were to be doing this, they'd probably assume that this balance due, the last number at the bottom of $6,041.32, this is the amount due that needs to be added to the AP. Well, actually, this number is incorrect. The number just above this of $650.75 is the correct number and the correct amount of money due on this invoice. Tackle AI was able to run high-level calculations and understand all of the math being done on this invoice and come up with that correct answer. So in this case, using Tackle AI would have saved this client time, energy, and ultimately money paid to its vendors by using artificial intelligence and not a human to do the workflow. So if this sounds like you and your business has large amounts of unstructured invoices coming in each month that need to be processed, read, and added to your accounts payable system, give us a call or reach out to us on our website. We'd love to give you a demonstration of Tackle Invoices live with your own documents.